Hello everyone, this is Priyanka. Welcome to the Daily English Vocabulary Dose 19. So these are our today's vocabulary words. In the end, I'll ask a question. Give me answer of that question in comment box. Look at the first word, abet. Friends, abet means encourage to do something wrong. In Hindi you can say गलत काम करने के लिए मदद करना या फिर उकसाना. Now look at its sentence. His accountant abetted him in the fraud. Its synonym is assist. Now moving to the next word, lax. Friends, lax means not sufficiently strict or careful. Its Hindi meaning is लापरवाह या फिर ढीला. Now look at its sentence. There were lax security arrangements at the airport. Its synonym is neglectful. The next word that I have for you is congenital. Congenital means having a particular trait from birth. In Hindi you can say janam se. Now look at its sentence. He has a congenital inability to tell the truth. Its synonym is inherited. Now look at the next word, pillage. Friends, pillage means rob a place using violence. Its Hindi meaning is loot. Now look at its sentence. There were no signs of violence or pillage. Its synonym is robbery. The next word that I have for you is pithi. Friends, pithi means brief or you can say concise. Its Hindi meaning is sankshipt. Now moving to its sentence. These boxes will contain pithy and practical tips. Its synonym is succinct or terse. Now look at the next word, kudos. Friends, it means praise and honor received for an achievement. Its Hindi meaning is prasiddhi ya fir prashansa. Now look at the sentence. He acquired kudos just by appearing on television. Its synonym is fame. The next word that I have for you is resuscitate. Friends, resuscitate means revive from unconsciousness. In Hindi you can say punarjeevit karna. Now look at its sentence. Doctors managed to resuscitate him. Its synonym is revive or rescue. The next word that I have for you is sacrosanct. Friends, sacrosanct means extremely holy. Its Hindi meaning is pavitra. Now look at its sentence. In India, the cow is a sacrosanct animal. Its synonym is sacred. Now look at the next word, which is doleful. Friends, doleful means expressing sorrow. Its Hindi meaning is dukhpurn. Now look at its sentence. She sang a doleful song. Its synonym is mournful. Last but not least is indict. Friends, its pronunciation is not indict, it is indict. It means charged with a crime. In Hindi, doshi thehrana. Now look at its sentence. His manager was indicted for fraud. Its synonym is accuse of. So friends, it's time for the question of the day. What is the synonym of terse? A. Pithy, B. Sacred, C. Kudos, D. Abet. You have to give me answer of that question in comment box.